Alright, here's the second part of this video here. We're going to figure out how much infill you actually need. So I printed up 5 identical shapes, 1 shell. The only difference is the percentage of infill. So let's start with 15. As always, these are printed in standard no-name PLA on a Prusa i3 MK3 using Prusa Control, all defaults. Let's take a look. This is 15%. See, it distorted a little bit. That took a lot of pressure to do. 20%. Yeah, just tweaked my needle nose there. 30%. Didn't even make a dent in that one. Or that one. Definitely not that one. Let's move up to the big guns. Start with 15. Let's find a spot that's not squished here. Two-handing this. There you go. So to distort the corner a little bit, this is plenty strong. Again, doing this two-handed. Yeah, there's plenty of strength there. 30. Dropped it. I can't even put a mark in the 30. 50. Yeah, not even a dent. I'm gonna try 70, but it's not going nowhere. Let's see if this will even go big enough here. This is the 15. Yeah, even with a big pair of pliers. There. Hope that answers your questions as to how much infill you're going to need. I think anything more than 15 for all but the strongest structural parts is just a waste of plastic. Bye.